Hi, Anish. Good afternoon. And how are you?
All good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm well. And my name is Varisha Khan, and I'm from NetworkersCCIE, as you know that. It would be great if you could tell us how did you came to know about NetworkersCCIE and how was your overall experience with us?
Overall experience was good. I was the oldest student of the Networker CCI last year to back 2 year in during Corona time. I did uh, CCI security course, and after uh, 2000 coming 2023, I was enrolled for SD-WAN training. It was good training. I
Okay.
got good exposure, theoretical and practical.
Okay.
And even in labs also I got help from sir.
So we want to know about your feedback on SD-WAN training and practical lab part.
Training content was good. Atin sir was help a lot while building set up a lab in my personal system, onboarding all these component in my system. He was taken remote session and help. He was given time to me, so I can say it was good experience this time as well. I am an older student, like I as told earlier. So I was also attended the training of CCIE security, and this year I was enrolled for SD-WAN training. It was a good learning experience with Networker CCIE and with Thin sir.
So was everything is perfect in your training, right?
Yes, ma'am. Even I have received lot of SD-WAN documents, learning sites. He was suggested from where we have to learn, how we have to learn, how we have to do the practice. He was said lab guides as well, couple of PDFs for a study. So everything was good one, and I'm practicing in my home lab.
Okay. Oh, it was very nice to see. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks for that. Thank you. Thank you.